In this lesson, we shall be simplifying expressions by cancelling down. We simplify expressions by cancelling down when the expressions involve division. The rules are the same as the ones we use in number work. Let's have a look at some examples. In number work, 4 over 4 cancels down to 1. Similarly, in algebra, n over n cancels down to 1. In number work, if we have 2 times 4 over 2, then the 2's will cancel out and we'll have 4 left. Similarly, in algebra, if we have a times 4 over a, then the a's will cancel out and we'll have 4 left. In number work, if we have 8 times 3 over 2, the 8 and the 2 could cancel down to give 4. Similarly, in algebra, if we have 8 times a over 2, the 8 and the 2 could cancel down to give 4. In number work, if we have 3 squared over 3, then we could write it as 3 times 3 over 3. Then the bottom 3 can cancel out one of the top 3's, leaving 3 as the answer. Similarly, in algebra, if we have n squared over n, we could write it as n times n over n. Then the bottom n can cancel out one of the top n's, leaving 1n as the answer. In number work, if we have something like 10 times 3 over 8, I can see that 2 can go into 8 and 2 can go into 10. 2 goes into 8 4 times and 2 goes into 10 5 times. So we would have 5 times 3 over 4. Similarly, in algebra, if we have 10y over 8, then it can be cancelled down to 5y over 4. Now that we know some rules, let's have a look at some examples. It says here, simplify 4b squared over 8b. We'll start by writing it in expanded form. 4b squared is the same as 4 times b, and 8b is the same as 8 times b. All we have to do now is cancel down. 4 goes into 8 2 times. The top b can cancel the bottom b, and we are now left with b over 2. Here's another example. 10y cubed over 5y. Let's start by writing it in expanded form. 10y cubed can be written as 10 times y times y times y, and 5y can be written as 5 times y. All we need to do now is cancel down to simplify it. 5 can go into 10 2 times. The bottom y can cancel one of the top y's. We'll be left with 2 times y, which is the same as 2y squared. Now one last example. 6x cubed y over 3x squared y can be written as 6 times x times x times x times y over 3 times x times y. Then we can cancel down. Well done! You've been learning about simplifying expressions by cancelling down. It's time to have some practice.